What's up, guys? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one we're going to be using the Potane vacuum sealer. I'm about to make some lunch here with a couple hot dogs. So let me go ahead and cut these out. And instead of putting these in a Tupperware or back in their package and then into the fridge, I'm going to vacuum seal what I don't use. Alright, Potane vacuum sealer. This is a must-have if you're into the outdoors, fishing, hunting, camping, making your own beef jerky. It's great for preserving food. I've already gone through the original bag, so I do have a roll of extra bags here. Got a little bit of water there. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this with the bags. Now when you get the Potane, it's going to have a roll that fits into this compartment. As you can see, that's just too big. It's not going to fit in that compartment. So I have to size up the bags myself. This piece right here is a razor blade, so I can cut them to size once I seal one in. This is where it seals. Go ahead and place it over that spot. Lock it and hit seal only. While that light is blue, it means that it's sealing. And then when it turns off, it means that it's done. Sometimes I'll go ahead and let it run for another half cycle again, right? So I'll just hit that seal one more time and just give it a few extra seconds to really form a good seal at the bottom of the bag. And then open. Check my seal. That looks pretty good. So I want to size it to about the length of a hot dog. Maybe too long. There we go. Right in there. And then grab this tab, pull it across. Now we have our bag. So we'll move the roll over to the side. And I will pop 4 hot dogs in the bag. Now we're going to reseal. So I like to put the textured side down first. Get plenty of, I guess, tagline is what I would call it, a knot, but plenty of material there. We're going to go moist, because these are hot dogs, these are moist. Okay, so the Potane vacuum sealer went ahead and pulled all the air out of the bag. Now it is sealing. You have to be careful. Sometimes it'll pull some of the oils and stuff out of the food. Get that around the seal, and then it doesn't want to seal very well. So this is another situation where I'm going to go ahead and hit that seal button one more time just to make sure that I get a good melted seal from the bag. Yep, and we are good to go. There we go. One custom pack of hot dogs, shrink wrapped using the Potane vacuum sealer. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all take care.